Hey, are you trying to break into the world of GeoAI? Totally free virtual webinar called Breaking into GeoAI. And listen, this isn't just your average webinar. Oh no, this is a massive collaboration between two absolute powerhouses in the industry, RevoMap Solutions and the Darshini Group of Solutions.
So who's going to be your guide on this journey?
Right, you'll be learning straight from the brilliant minds at the Geocomputation Lab at the Delhi School of Economics. We've got Sayantan Mandal, Gopal Chaudhary, Anup Bhadia, and Nilanjan Bal. These are the people literally defining the future of GeoAI.
So let's talk about what you're actually going to master. You're going to get into real, practical case studies, learn how to build hazard prediction pipelines from scratch, and really get a handle on those end-to-end machine learning operations.
So what do you think? Ready to level up? Because you're not going to believe this. This incredible opportunity is completely 100% free.
So what are you waiting for? Pull out your phone right now. Seriously, do it. Scan that QR code you see on the screen and claim your spot before they're all gone. And don't forget to mark it down, March 14th, 2026 at 7 p.m. Be there.
Look, the future is here. It's happening right now. The real question is, are you going to be part of it? This is your chance. Come join us and let's shape the decisions of tomorrow.